Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this one we will be talking about how to resolve Helldivers to GameGuard Initialize error code 110. So this is a really famous error in Helldivers 2, and the GameGuard obviously is basically to provide the anti-cheat system, since it is trying to provide the best quality of anti-cheat mechanism, so you do not face any hackers or crackers inside the experience of the game. And sometimes we have this type of errors popping up, like for example initialize error code 110. Now how you can fix it, that's the big question that we are going to be simply covering in this video. So let's just dive right into the process. In the GameGuard error code, 110 means nprotect has been previously loaded but still runs in the background. If you previously played a game that uses GameGuard and you closed it, then you played another game that also uses GameGuard, then it triggers the error. It means nprotect was unable to unload from the memory successfully after the previous session. When you started a new game basically, and it detected the presence of nprotect, it triggers the error because it can't start a new session of GameGuard because the previous instance is still running. To fix the problem, simply terminate the processes related to nprotect. To do this, press Ctrl plus Shift and Escape to bring up the Task Manager. In the Windows Task Manager dialog, go to Processes from above obviously, and then tab and then scroll down and look for Without Codes. U underscore skid program, select it, then click End Processes, and then select End Process to confirm. Next, look for Without Codes GameOn.des, then repeat the same steps. If the problem continues, restart the computer. So that's the solution for this particular issue, and let us know in the comment below if this was helpful. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.